Okay, this is your radar update. This is the snow in blue, and you can see it's just getting to Pennsylvania late this afternoon, and it's going to take a little while to head north. This takes you to around 8 o'clock tonight, and you can see it's just skimming the southern areas. It started in southern New Jersey, and it's at a moderate snow rate down there. And then you'll see this moves up. This is around 10 o'clock this evening, and it's now moved up past to Allentown and up this way. And it's starting to make its move to the north. And it'll kind of angle, if you look at it, doesn't keep going straight north. It kind of angles off to the northeast a little bit. This takes you to around midnight. You can see this darker blues here is basically moderate snow. Down in very South Jersey, you got a little bit of freezing rain and mixed in with it there. And then it's light snow up here towards Poconos and central. And then this takes you to around 2 a.m. and moderate snow, some heavier snow in New Jersey here. Philadelphia, you're still in on the snow. Finally getting your snow. New York, you're finally getting your snow. I'm sure there'll be headlines that they got their first snow in 700 and some days, a measurable amount. As you move back into the Poconos, the southern Poconos, there's a moderate snow coming down, even up towards Wilkes-Barre, out towards Harrisburg and Lebanon, and out that way. You've got some snow, and then further west you go, it's lighter to the west. And then as we move this to around 4 o'clock in the morning, still got some snow. It's not as coverage area. It's like kind of a light to moderate snow. Still going on in Philly and New York. More freezing rain in the South Jersey, like towards Vineland and that way. This takes you to around 5 a.m. Here's 6 a.m. Here's 7 a.m. And here is 8 a.m. And you can see it's now breaking up and a little bit of freezing rain to Philadelphia area. The heavier snow has moved on towards New York City up that way. Lighter snows to the west. Um, Nothing heavy. The heavier stuff will fall overnight. And then this takes you to around 10 o'clock in the morning. Snow still snowing pretty good in northern part of New Jersey, near out. This is like Stroudsburg out here is coming down still around 10 in the morning. You can see it's moved over to freezing rain. Not a heavy freezing rain, but this is going to put a glaze on top of everything because the temperatures are still below freezing. But if they brine the roads and they put their stuff down on the roads, it probably won't be seriously bad. But I still would think that early tomorrow morning, be careful driving. And you can see out towards Atlantic City here, it's changed into a little bit of light rain. And then this takes you to around noon. You can still see there's some pockets of more than light, like moderate snow, but basically everything is light. And then there's some sleet falling in the middle of here, and then there's some freezing rain pockets still going on. Nothing really heavy at the time. This takes you to around 2 in the afternoon. It's starting to depart. You can see the back edge of it here. These are lake squalls up here. The cold air is coming in. This is around 6 o'clock. Let's see, is this 6 o'clock? No, it's about 4 o'clock, and it's pulling away. Even in New York City, another glaze. So traffic headaches are going to be. I'm sure you're going to hear about it. This takes you to around 5 o'clock. Still got some mix going on here. Still, I'm sure traffic is going to be a nightmare around New York City. And then it pulls away, and then you just got the lake effect going on and the very cold temperatures that you're going to have behind this. All right, that was your report. A little longer than usual for the radar, but I wanted to explain the storm.